Hello everyone, welcome again to my video. My name is Listy and Shobah. I'm from class 3B. So in today's video, I will explain about biography. So now let's get started. Here I have PPTs about biography and I will show you. Biography is the life story of a person written by someone else, more than basic facts such as education, work, relationship, and death. And subject's life story, highlighting various aspects of his or her life, including intimate details, experience, and may include an analysis of the subject's personality. And of course, it's non-fiction, using the pronouns he, his, him, she, her, and hers throughout the text, and using the simple past throughout the text. And here, a biography uses linking verbs such as was and were. For example, her parents were both teachers and she was the youngest of 5 children. Or when she was only 11, Curie lost her mother, bronzed to tuberculosis. And she was also active as a radio broadcaster and Indonesian batik artist. That's the example. And here's the example of short biography about Ismail Marzuki. Ismail Marzuki, also known as Bang Maing, was born on May 11, 1914. He was an Indonesian composer, musician, a songwriter who wrote between 200 and 240 songs between 1931 and 1958, including numerous popular patriotic songs. Among his best-known works are Gugur Bunga and Rayuan Pulau Kelapa. In 1968, he was honored with the creation of well-known Taman Ismail Marzuki, or the Ismail Marzuki Park, often called it TIM. It is a cultural center in Menteng in central Jakarta. In 1924, he was declared one of the national heroes of Indonesia. He passed away on May 25, 1958. So that is a short biography. This you can, from the biography you can see the events, the life story, the education, the work, the personality, and also the relationship. But this is only a short biography of Ismail Marzuki. And here are the 7 tips on how to write a personal biography by Pete Getzler. And the first is introduce yourself as if you are meeting a stranger. Lead in with your name. People need to know who you are before they hear what you all about. And second, immediately state what you do. If you are a portrait photographer, don't wait until the last moment to say it. Your most important details should go in the first sentence. And number 3, touch upon your most important accomplishment. Don't list them and make sure they fit. A biography is not a resume. It is simply a quick summary of who you are. If you have space, mention them. If not, ignore them. And number 4, include your contact information. You should have a line in your bio that makes it easy for people to contact you. Stick to the norm and put your contact info in the last sentence. And for number 5, get feedback. Talk in the third person. Since your bio is something other people use to describe you, make it sound like someone else is talking about you. For example, John Doe is a portrait photographer with 6 years of hands-on experience working with clients. That's the example. And for number 6, get feedback from a friend. For example, a great way to test your biography is to have someone else read it. Explore their feedback. Does it accurately state who you are and what you do? If after reading your biography they still don't understand what value you provide, revise it until they do. And for the last, keep it up to date. You are constantly moving forward in your career, and your biography should reflect that. Never send out your bio if it still says you work for a former employer. That's it. Okay, so that's about biography. A short explanation about biography and tips how to make self biography. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.